back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make this really cool no glue slime. It's really fun to play with, so yeah, let's just get started. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And comment down below some new video suggestions and some also no glue recipes. So the first thing I want to do is add 2 teaspoons of water. The reason why my water is pink is because it has food coloring in it. So I just want to put 2 of these. 1 and 2. Maybe 3 actually. Then you want to add a teaspoon of flour. I'm going to add 2 of these. You're also going to want to add about 3 pinches of salt. I'm using this salt. Then you want to add 1 teaspoon of oil. Actually, I'm going to add about a half of one. 1 1/2, yeah. So then I'm just going to want to mix it all up together. As you can see, it starts clumping up together. It looks like it's coming together, but once you start mixing it, it stops coming together. So you're gonna have to add some more flour. If you added enough flour, this wouldn't be an issue. So you're gonna keep mixing until it gets to that perfect texture. To get to that texture, you're going to have to start kneading it together. If you added enough oil, it won't be as sticky. And here is the slime. It's not that stretchy, but it's really fun to squish, poke, and just play with. So now I'm just going to add it to this other slime that I made. As you can see, this has a bit more oil than this one, since the other one's a bit darker. And together it makes a really cool big batch of slime. It's fun to play with, fun to squish, fun to poke. And now, time for some ASMR. If your slime starts to get a little bit sticky, or if you want to have more of that buttery stuff, just add some more flour. But don't add too much because this could ruin your slime. If you add more flour and it's still sticky, just add some oil. Well, that's not the issue here, as you can see.